as long as we follow all FAA rules, we are able to continue flying our drones recreationally and commercially under Part 107. So until that changes, I'm gonna keep on flying, y'all. Okay, hey y'all, how you doing? So I'm out here at this park. They're doing some expansion here. There's a pond over there, really nice area. It's small though. So I like the fact that they are expanding this. It's still in development, they haven't finished. So I want to get an idea of what progress they've made and how far back this actually goes, because it looks like there's a trail here. So anyway, I brought the Neo. So I got the little Neo. It was in the car with me. So I said, you know what? Let me pull it out. So what we're going to do, we're going to use it to track me walking the trail here. So see if I can point. Where's my arm? There's my arm. And oh, I know what's happening. It wants to track me. So yeah, trying to point to the trail. So we're gonna walk that trail and we're gonna have the Neo follow. All right, let's have some fun, y'all. Let's do it. Okay, guys, let's see if we can manage this. So I've got the Osmo Pocket here, and I'll see if I can do some commentary real time. And I am recording the my phone so you can see what's going on in the app. So I've got it in follow mode. We're gonna do a medium distance and we're gonna stay flat. And I just put it up in the air to the maximum height that it could go, and I'll put up on the screen what that is. I can't remember exactly what the max height is. Using the phone, I don't have a controller out here. So I did that just to see if I could get a good view of the area. I wasn't able to get it up too high, so we'll see what the footage looks like, and I'll definitely put that up on the screen. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna follow, so we're gonna do start. Oh, yeah, it's been a while since I've used the Neo, guys. So let's let's go ahead and get in the air. All right. It's following, but it is pretty low to the ground. Let's start walking. And I'm sure it will adjust. All right, so we're just gonna walk this path here. Let me show you. So it looks like there's one to the left here, one to the right. We're gonna go to the right. All right. And I just got my phone. I've got the Osmo Pocket 3 and I got the Neo. And you can't get any more convenient than this, man, right? I got good audio coming from the DJI Mic 2, and holding this phone, all right? And I don't have to worry about controlling the drone. Okay, and it's been a while since I've flown the Neo, but I have always been super impressed with how well it tracks. Let me make an adjustment to my exposure because I'm pretty well shaded now under these trees. All right, so we're gonna see how well it does. And there's not really many obstacles. It's a pretty wide path here, but nonetheless, you get the point I'm trying to make here. Okay, so you can see here that it doesn't go back very far, and not sure what they're gonna do here, if they're gonna do a bridge or something, but yeah. I love the idea of them expanding. Okay, so now I gotta go back the other way now. Okay, we're going back the other way. Let's see what the Neo does. Let's see what the Neo does. It's supposed to continue following me, and it is. So, man, let me just say, this is October 2025, and we know everything going on politically around drones. I believe December 23rd is the critical date of when this audit is supposed to be done. Doesn't sound like it's going to get done, and if it does not, there's the potential that the FCC will delist it, I guess. Anyway, at the end of the day, the threat here is that DJI will no longer be able to export drones into the United States. But as of today, the point I'm trying to make with all of this is, as of today, as long as we follow all FAA rules, we are able to continue flying our drones recreationally and commercially under Part 107. So until that changes, I'm gonna keep on flying, y'all. And not sure I'm hurting anybody with the little Neo here. And this thing is amazing. Let's see. Can I change the... No, I can't. I wanted to see if I could somehow capture more of my body. Let me stop this and let me have it track me far, just to see if more of my body will get in the frame. So let's go this way now, to the left, as I mentioned. See how we're doing on battery. 32% left. So yeah, I mean, this is fun. I mean, I was out here, I was doing some filming for something else, and stumbled upon this area. I didn't realize they were doing this work here. And so, you know what, I have my Neo in the car. Let's check this place out if we can. And had my batteries charged up, ready to go. So how great is that? Such great technology. And you know, not to get political, I'll let the elected officials handle all of that. But yeah, it would be really unfortunate that as consumers, we wouldn't be able to continue having access to such amazing technology. But again, safety first in all respects. If there's concern that I don't know about, then hey, they got to do what they got to do. But it would be a shame to lose something this tiny that can do all of the things that it can do. All right, let's get back to the car. But anyway, that's all I wanted to do today. Didn't really plan on doing this video. I haven't posted in quite some time, just kind of been busy with life. But I'm still flying when I get a chance. Like I said, until someone tells me I can't or shouldn't, I will continue to do so. And you know, I think that's the message for all of us, right? Nothing has been deemed illegal at this point. And as long as we understand what the FAA expects and we follow that, we're fine. So, all right, guys, I hope you found this useful or interesting. And hey, appreciate you for stopping by as always. And hey, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and get subscribed. I'm gonna try to post more. I do drones like this. I do videos like this on drones, but I'm into all kinds of gadgets and stuff, electric bikes. So you'll see a variety of things on the channel. But if you're interested, go ahead and get subscribed. Please like the video, leave a comment for me as well. Anything, you know, you want to share your thoughts about the impending changes to the drone industry. If you want to talk about the Neo, whatever, just to try to get some engagement, please feel free, and I definitely will respond. All right, guys, be good to somebody, be good to yourself. See y'all later. Oh, got a little battery. Return to home promptly. We are doing that. So much fun, man.
Critically low battery warning.
All right, we're gonna land now. Let's get you on the ground, buddy.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.